Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the lecturer vacancies recruitment notifications from the two different degree colleges. So for this notification, only post graduation is enough. That means whatever the departments I am going to show you in this video, in those departments, if you are having only post graduation, then that is enough. UGC NET or the PhD is not at all required for this one. And these colleges are very highly reputed colleges in their regional wise, guys. So don't miss this opportunity, and I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation, which will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this lecturer vacancies recruitment notifications from the two degree colleges. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is the first college that I want to show you. The name is PIDA Group of Institutions. So the total 3 campuses are there, 12 institutions and 30 plus courses are there. And if you want to see what are the different courses offering by this college in the multiple campuses, is that here you may check down. So sciences courses and the agriculture and allied sciences, commerce and management, healthcare sciences. So coming to the sciences, here the undergraduate degree, the different programs are there: maths, physics, chemistry, and maths, physics, computers, maths, electronics and computers, maths, statistics and computers, chemistry, botany, zoology, and the microbiology. That means if you belongs to this department, that means if you are having the only post graduation in the departments like maths, physics, chemistry, computers, electronics, statistics, chemistry, botany, zoology, and microbiology, then you may apply for this one, guys. Okay. And next one is agriculture and allied sciences. So the food technology, industrial aquaculture and fisheries, agriculture, horticulture, and MSc programs as well as the PG diploma programs are also there in the agriculture, fisheries, and the dairy technology. And apart from this one, the commerce and management. So if you're having the post graduation in the commerce and management also, then you may apply for this one. And in the healthcare sciences, critical care management and the medical image technology. Fine. So these are all the courses offering by this PIDA group of institutions, okay, in the multiple campuses. So the 3 campuses are Kakinada City campus and the Kakinada Green campus and Draksharamam campus. So this college or else these institutions are in Andhra Pradesh, guys. So here, you just search in the Google for the PIDA group of institutions and then go to the careers. It is official website. Just go to the careers, and whatever the departments I shown you right now, if you belongs to any one of the department, that means if you're having the post graduation in this one, then you may check down here. The online application process is there. So fill up the online application form above and submit. And your online application form will be screened and shortlisted as per the current vacancies and requirements. And the shortlisted candidates shall be informed by email and telephone and will be called for interview or discussion by the HR department. And the discussion or interview will consist of technical round, demo lecture, and finally the HR round will be there. And kindly bring all relevant documents in original as well as in photocopy during your interaction with us. Fine. So these are all the online application process. And if you want to apply through the offline application process is also mentioned here. So send your latest resume and the set of photocopy of all relevant documents with a cover letter clearly indicating the position you are applying for in capital letters. And you have to send that one to Managing Director, PIDA Group of Institutions, care of PIDA College of Engineering, Kakinada, Yanam Road, okay, and Andhra Pradesh. So if you are having any clarifications regarding this recruitments in this PIDA Group of Institutions, then here the contact number is also provided. So 884 231 5333, and you have to call in between morning 10 a.m. to morning 10 to evening 4 o'clock from Monday to Saturday. Or else if you are not feeling comfortable to contact with them, then here the mail ID is also provided. You may put one mail to this mail ID, that is careers@pida.edu.in. Fine. So if you want to apply online, just click on this apply online. Then the online application form will be opened up here. Okay, it is a Google form, guys. You need not to pay not even a single rupee for the online application process. So your email ID, and you for which post you are applying, for a teaching post or else a non-teaching post. And so I would like to apply for following departments. So you guys, so many departments are there. So out of all these departments, for which one you are planning to apply? Okay, and then click on the next. So fill up all the remaining online application procedure. Okay, so it is a recruitment from the PIDA group of institutions. Why? Because at present the vacancies are there. Why? Because I check in some other job recruitment website. So based upon that one, I am telling. So if you belongs to any one of these departments, then fill up the online application form, guys. Okay, and coming to the next one is, it is G. Pulla Reddy Degree and PG College, so affiliated to Usmania University. It is from Telangana, guys, and it is also most reputed college. So already 25 years done, so silver jubilee. And in this one, you may check down the faculty recruitment notification. That means currently there are vacancies are there in this college. So here you may click down the faculty recruitment notification, and then you will be directed to this pic, guys. So in this pic, you may check down G. Pulla Reddy Degree and PG College. So what are the different departments are there? I mean, actually it is affiliated to Usman University, as I told, that Mehedipatnam, Hyderabad. So here the contact numbers are also given. If you are having any queries regarding this one, you may contact these numbers. Mail ID is also provided. So wanted experienced faculty in management, mathematics, physics, electronics, statistics, computer science, commerce, English, Telugu, Sanskrit, Hindi and the Arabic. Okay, so in these departments, if you are having the post graduation with a minimum 55% of marks, you may check down the qualification here, PG in the relevant subject with minimum 55% of marks, then you may apply for this one. And the computer lab programmer also required. So that is for, I mean, the qualification is BSc computers or also BCA or the BCom computers. Fine. So it is a thing, and whoever the interested candidates are there, you may send your resume along with the copy of relevant certificates on or before 16th August 2021. Okay, so here the address is also there, guys. So it is the address, or else if you want to get the clear-cut address, I will show you in the official website of this college itself. So yeah, G. Pulla Reddy Degree and PG College, pillar number 23, opposite PVNR Elevated Expressway, beside G. Pulla Reddy Suites, Mehedipatnam, Hyderabad. So 500028 Telangana, India. Phone number as well as the email ID is also there. Right. So if you're having any queries regarding this one, you may contact to that one. But you have to send the hard copy, guys. I mean your resume as well as the relevant certificates, and then post to the mentioned address what I told you right now. And it has to reach on or before 16th August 2021. Fine. So totally these are the two different degree college vacancies, guys. So all the interested candidates apply right now without making the delay. And if your subjects are not covered here, then please mention your subjects in the comment section so that I will come up in the next video. And I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement is following. If you want, you may listen, or else you may close this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, And from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge, okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.